Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your girl Mimi Edwin, and today we'll be making this beautiful hair as you see here on your screen. Yeah, I'm in love with the hair as just as the way you are in love with the hair. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, please don't keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Please show me love just the same way I'm loving the look. I know you love it. Oh my god. Yeah, I made it myself. So yeah, stick with me while we go to the main, nothing but the main video. Please keep watching and thumbs up. Thank you guys. I love you all. Bye. Like yeah, it's your girl Mickey. Come on. Me say welcome to the. Hey guys, this is me, Mimi Edwin. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, share, and thumbs up. Don't forget that I love you. At the same time, today we'll be making this. We got a crochet hook. I got two of it, but yeah, we'll be using one of them. And I got my darling Marley braid. I got the color gold and the color red. Anyway, that was not enough for me. I only got two the first time thinking it's gonna be enough, but nah, it didn't go anywhere. So yeah, I braided my hair by myself without mirrors. Can you imagine? Anyway, I just want to use this hair for a wedding and then rock it for a little while. So I didn't really care about the braid, but I just want to show you. Please just concentrate on the hair, leave my braid. Anyway, if you want to get yours, if you want to make yours, you can go braid yours, but please, when braiding yours, make sure you're using a mirror so as to get the line straight and get everything clean. Unlike me, don't be like me, please, my lazy ass. So yeah, this is just how the hair is looking. This is the color red. I start from the red just to get, I don't know, I want the gold to be at the front because I love the sharp look. So yeah, so this is how I go with my crochet. All you have to do is put in your crochet hook into your braid, and then under your braid, please, and then you put the head of your wig of your crochet, put it on the crochet hook and then close it, and then you draw it. That is how I do it. As you can see, please just keep watching, pay attention to it. I'm sure you're gonna get it very well. Controller, the way she run like an anaconda. Make her moving that thing in order. So yeah guys, this is how I keep on doing it. Oh my god, don't mind my cameraman. Like seriously, I'm really gonna get a tripod because I really don't know what he's doing here. He was supposed to be standing straight and then putting this camera very well on my face, but I don't know. He's just like, I don't know if he's watching the TV or he's looking at me. I don't know what he's doing, but anyway, please just manage the video. So yeah, you just have to like put in the hook, put in the crochet, close the hook, draw it out, get the tail of the crochet, put it back at the hook, and then you draw it out. That is how you tie it. Like this one already came prepared, so it's not gonna be hard. It's not gonna be hard. So just keep on doing it accordingly. I'm sure you're gonna get to your desired style, whatever. So guys, if you understand what I just said now, just take a look at it now. There's no mirror on my front. That's my front. There's no mirror on my rear. I'm not holding any mirror. I'm just doing this thing with my head. Like I don't even know how I was supposed to manage it. I just needed to give it a try. Like, man, come on. I don't try make I get the money. Every nigga want to touch him body. Your package, then go call you honey. Now you don't see. Yeah, baby. Make ya shake in your back, I see. We go club, we go kiddie party. I can't shout when I see your body. For me, I just there. I move it. Make ya move it. You say make ya move it. Make ya move it. Now go. Like a tricycle. Ride them like a bicycle. Make ya moving that thing in circle. See that boy, you don't get the cycle. Oh, now you don't see. Yeah. We know hear what a bad man talk. Small girls don't they for me auntie. Cause them boys don't they call them honey. They say welcome to that club. Boy, I make ya move it. Make ya move it. It's a make ya move it. Move it, move it, move it. Make ya move it. Boom, bah. Count two, I saw ya boy. Looking at that girl with that big behind. Count two, I saw ya boy. Looking at that girl with that big bobby. I say, let go. Come on, yeah, baby. 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 Oh, yeah, make ya move it. Move it. Make ya move it. Move it. Make ya move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Oh, yeah, make ya move it. Move it. Girl is a controller. The way she run like an anaconda. Make ya moving that thing in order. Make that boy con this ready dollar. Oh, now you don't see. Yeah. You don't care what a bad man talk. Say what's good on the for me auntie. Cause them boys on they call them honey. Me say welcome to that club. Boy, I make ya move it. Move it. Make ya move it. Move it. Oh yeah, make ya move it. Move it. Make ya move it. Move it. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Every nigga want to touch him body. Then go call you honey. Now you don't see. Yeah. Now you don't see. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we've come to the end of it. Like we are now in the front. And now the front of it. So yeah, I braided my front hair one. I didn't like braid it together like I did at the back. So I did this so it's not gonna be noticeable that yeah, it's a crochet. It's a crochet. So now I actually did this. So even as I did this, like people were like, "Girl, did you lose this crochet just to place the front?" And I was like, "Yeah, I did." But now I did it. This is my secret. I'm sharing a video. So just keep on watching. This is how I do it. Yep. I do it this way. I put in the crochet hook under my weave and then I put in my crochet, I close it and then I screw it out and then I put the tail on the crochet and then I draw it out again and then I tie it. How does that even sound? Why am I sounding like that? Anyway, so yeah guys, and then after that I had to put in the hook, put in my hair. I started crocheting my hair. I had to do it for the look. Man, we ladies, we got it all done. Yeah, keep enjoying the video. Let me just rest my case. Count two, I saw ya boy. Looking at that guy with that big behind. Count two, I saw ya boy. Looking at that guy with that big bobby. I say, let go. Come on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
move it. Move it. Girl is a controller. The way she run like an anaconda. Make her moving that thing in order. Make that boy con this ready dollar. Oh now you don't see. Yeah. You don't care what that bad man talk. Say well get on there for me auntie. Cause them boys on the call honey. Me say welcome to that.
Yeah guys, I just finished with the first one and then I moved on to the second one. Like this second one is more clear because the first one I was just rushing it off. So as you can see now, I just put the crochet, I just crocheted under my braid and then I bring it out and then put the tail and then bring it out again. Look at the way I weave my hair. I braid my different hair. I kind of did Bob Marley at the down of it and then I twisted the mouth so as to make it light, yeah, and easy when losing it. So that was why I did it that way. So as you can see now, look at the body of this hair. It's just like something they braid. Like, you know, when you braid our hair, definitely it's just gonna pop out. The hair is gonna pop out. So as you see here now, the hair is just showing and then people are just confused because they don't know if I braid the hair or maybe I crocheted it. They don't get it exactly. So yeah, this is just how I do it. You know, I started crocheting my hair. I put it in, I pull it out, I put it in, I pull it out until it got to the finished point. Yeah, I had to do it all so there will be no trace of hair left. So yeah, that's how I do it. This is a work. It's a good work though, because I started this hair by I started it by 12 and I finished it by 3. Yeah, it took that long because I had to go get another crochet, another crocheted hair, because the 2 I got before was not enough. So yeah, I had to go get more I got to go get more. Yeah, I don't know what my cameraman is doing, but it's annoying. So yeah, this is the hair. As you can see, I'm just finishing the tip. I don't want any hair to be left out, so as to be a trace of my secret being leaked out. So I had to just do it all. And as you can see it now, it's just like I braided it anyway, just like I braided it. So yeah, this is my mirror. I'm just looking at it now after a long run. Yeah, that is it.
Oh yeah, make her move it. Move it. Make her move it. Move it. Make her move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Oh yeah, make her move it. Move it. Girl is a controller. The way she run like an anaconda. Make her moving that thing in order. Make that boy con this ready dollar. Oh now you don't see. Yeah. You don't care what that bad man talk. Say well get on there for me auntie. Cause them boys on the call honey. Me say welcome to that club. Oh yeah, make her move it. Move it. Make her move it. Move it. Oh yeah, make her move it. Move it. Make her move it. Move it. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Every nigga want to touch him body. Then go call you honey. China you don't see. Yeah. China you don't see. Yeah. China you don't see. I move it. You don't see. Make her move it. You say make her move it. China you don't see. Make her move it. Like that. Yeah. It's your girl Mickey. Come on. Me say welcome to that club. Yeah. I don't try, make I get the money. Every nigga want to touch him body. Your package, then go call you honey. She now you don't see. Yeah, baby. Make ya shaking your back, I see. We go club, we go kiddie party. I can't shout when I see your body. Mommy, I just there. I move it. Make ya move it. You say make ya move it. Make ya move it. Let go.
So yeah, that's just it. Oh my god, I'm just feeling myself. Don't pardon my manners. I'm not even done with the hair and I'm already feeling myself. Sorry. So now I am done, baby. That's how it's looking. This is how it's looking. So far so good, I'm done. So far so good, I'm done. Done. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I'm done, and this is how it's looking. Less painful. Really fall. Really fall. So I can't wait to start styling my hair. I can't wait to start giving it different styles. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm loving it. So yeah, boom. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I am just doing my frontal. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do it, but I'm just learning and I'm just trying it out. I know it's not that good. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. But just know that I try. So yes, I just did a little bit of it, and then I started rocking my hair already. Yeah, I'm using a white petals gel as the remaining of the one I used before. So I'm just applying it at the front of my hair to make the front of my hair lay down. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Please like, please subscribe and help me. Love you all. Bye.
Welcome to my bedroom hallway. Go down stairs, got permission.